Okay, y'all, happy Friday. So many, when I posted my high five challenge, like how I do my high five challenge, it's by Mel Robbins. There's a book, there's an online challenge, and then it's like a whole thing. It's been awesome. So many of you guys reached out. You love the energy, but it goes back to this. When you put yourself out there, sometimes it's not the most comfortable, it's not the most practical, but it's there, and then you're being authentically yourself, right? There's, like, I've always said this, like, over the years, I don't have a head like a Barbie head where I pop it on, pop it off, and I could be two damn different people. I can't. I have too much going on in my life. I've always had too much going on in my life. So what you see is what you get on social media and online and offline. This is who I am and what I do, right? So today I'm gonna hop on again because there were several of you actually, that needed the encouragement. And you guys are in a space and in a place where this resonates and speaks to your heart. So I am hoping that, I can't commit to every damn day y'all doing videos like this. It's a little excessive, but I will do it from time to time. And so today is one of those times where I'm gonna show you my high five challenge, my high five that I'm giving myself in the mirror today. So I took myself out on my Thursday date last night after a photo shoot. And I sat down, had my dinner, and read my book because I'm reading the High Five Challenge. Such a good book. And there was just this really great chapter. And if you haven't read the book, I am not telling you what it is about. And I'm not telling you what it is about in hopes that you will go pick up this book, because it is, I don't want to say it's changing my life. It's changing my heart. It's changing, like, I feel like it's helping me get back to life. Like, I have been just in a space of my life for years. Okay, I was in not a good situation, like not a happy one, not a good one, whatever you want to call it. And I am working like hell to have a healing journey, working like hell to just build up business again, and relationships again, and friendships, and life, and love, and like all of these different categories, right? I ain't got no pets, so at least we have one thing off the list. And right now that is a good thing in my life, because then I can go on adventures when I don't have my kids, right? So, but anyways, needless to say, this book is fantastic. And yesterday it just really stirred something in me where I'm like, you know what, Sam? She's right. Her words are right. And you've got to get out there. It's time. Like, this is something you knew you were supposed to do, this thing from when you were 5 years old. From 5, you've known this is what your calling was. And my mom can vouch. People that know me people know that it's a calling, right? And it's a purpose. But life kind of took over and took hold. And so I'm evolving, and I'm still, I hold on, I'm a safe to the shore kind of gal. So it's like, I'm not ready yet. Or, oh, I can't do that now. And then you just get older, and the amount of insecurities and fear and just things, right? Like, and then what I've been through, right? Like those traumas and those things, like, it didn't help my situation in trying to bring out what my calling is. And so this chapter that I read last night over dinner just really struck me. So I'm waking up, I'm giving you guys this background and this blah, 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 all so that you understand the context of high five for today. Because your high five doesn't have to look the same. It could, I guess, but it doesn't have to look the same. And today mine looks different than what I shared with you guys last time. So I got up like I normally do. This time I didn't like hug the bed and thank the Lord for the carpet in the house. I just woke up and I felt grateful and just like, Lord, thank you. I do love sleeping in my bed. I do love my home. I love my walls. I am getting ready for the gym. So still took a shower, going to the gym. I got to go drop off my car and get a rental car. And then I have an event later on today. And I've got some things I'm helping my clients with too. So it's like I know I have a stacked day. So I look in the mirror, and my initial instinct is to realize how tired I look. But I look at it from, I'm tired in a great way. I'm tired in a way that it means I'm doing stuff. It means I'm like doing things. I'm not tired anymore from being so sad and being overwhelmed. I am still those things, right? They still happen from time to time. And they happen often. Like next week is going to be a big week for me. I know this. I know I'm going to have these moments, and I'm just like willing to like go to the gym in the meantime and get things done in the meantime, because I want to know, and I'm declaring to myself, hey, that day is just one little day. Moment, one little moment actually, not even a full day of what you're gonna have to deal with, and then the rest is yours to have for the taking, lady. So anyways, my high five challenge, so I came out here, I turned on the shower, getting undressed, and I just look at myself, and my mirror has fingerprints, y'all, and I don't even care. I was originally gonna clean them, and I realized right now where I'm at in my life, like having the fingerprints, because it's reminding me I'm doing my challenge. So what I did was this, yeah, you look exhausted. Do you see those wrinkles and the puffy face? Yes, yes, lady, you look exhausted. You do, you look really exhausted. But this is a good thing. This is a good thing because guess what is gonna happen? You are given the signs this week. You have been given signs, but this week specifically, you've been given signs. You need to speak. You need to speak, and you're gonna be speaking. You will be speaking. Yes, you are gonna be speaking. You will be speaking your truth. You know that it is the truth. You don't get to deny the truth. But you are meant to speak, and you will speak your story. You're gonna speak it. You're gonna enjoy it. High five, high five. Get excited because that's what's gonna happen. And there you go. That is what it looked like today. So there will be some exciting things on the horizon, it sounds like. There will be some speaking. There will be some sharing. There will be things being created, right? Like it's happening. That's the best way I can say it. So anyways, there you go. Happy Friday. I hope that inspires you. I hope it inspires you to speak up if you feel the need to speak up. I hope that it encourages you if you needed encouragement. I hope that it makes you feel like someone is hugging you from afar if you needed that. Whatever this message is meant to do for you, I hope it does that for you. And with that said, I've got to get my tennis shoes on because, like I said, I got to go to the gym, got the clothes in the washing machine and the dryer. But I see you, I love you, you matter to me, and thank you for being on this ride of life. Y'all, it is not easy, and I am 40, I will be 41 in November. I've got 5 kids, I have been divorced twice. I am juggling 2 jobs, right? Like life is crazy. But when you know that you're loved, you're seen, you're heard, that you matter, it's everything. That is everything in life. So with that said, keep on high-fiving, and I will talk to you later. Bye.